How's it going, RC Doctor here? Well, I went to take the old Bronco out and this thing is locked up. I'm pretty sure it has to do with a bearing or something. I haven't changed the bearings out in probably 2 years and this thing's been going through a lot of water. So let's just dive into this thing by getting the whole axle off. Basically, you're going to want to get these wheels off first. Now we're going to want to take our links off, as well as onto the steering horn, that link. And if you're having trouble getting to the Allen, just go ahead and turn and then through there. Now let's get the Allen for our shocks and our links, both sides. Now just go next up your servo wire for your locking differential. And as you can see, I can't even turn this thing. There's something seriously wrong going on. Flip this guy over. You're gonna have 4 Allens right here. This thing is going to need some major cleaning. Let's go ahead and take this and this Allen, both sides, take them out. Oh wow, that's supposed to be a bearing. I mean, this one looks alright, not really, but it's all together. Oh, you can see right there, no, the bearing there is gone, as well as just look how dirty this thing is. We're going to do some cleaning up and we'll get back to you. And thanks to Fast Eddie's, we got a bearing kit. We're going to go through this thing, clean it up, give it some grease, and put new bearings in it, and we'll see if that solves our problem. Okay, we got all the bearings in there, we got some grease. Now move over to the portal. We're going to want to just take all these Allens out here on the back side and the front side, and we'll get back to you. And look at those bearings, those things are toast. Let's fit those with new bearings, throw it all together, and then we'll get to the rear. And if you can't get that bearing all the way off there, just take some vice grips, get it on there super tight, and then go to the other side, put some on, and just turn it. This thing will break right off. Okay, this rear axle is going to be a little easier. We just got to take this Allen out right here, and then where the shocks go, and she will drop. Then there's that, easy as that. You're just going to want to take off your drive line, take off your wheels, take these Allens out, the 4 for the diff cover. Then you're in business. Let's get this thing together, get new bearings, give her a grease, we'll get back to it.